Ever wondered how a simple garden could enhance your well-being through the power of aromatherapy? Welcome to the world of Aromatherapy Gardens, where specific plants release soothing and therapeutic fragrances, offering a natural way to revitalize your senses. Let's explore some of the best plants for your own aromatherapy garden. Creating an aromatherapy garden begins with selecting the right fragrant plants. These natural wonders not only bring beauty to your garden, but can also provide therapeutic benefits to your mind and body. Let's delve into some of these fragrant plants. Lavender, a classic choice, is not only visually appealing with its beautiful purple blooms, but it is also well known for its relaxing properties. Its sweet floral scent is often associated with calming the mind and promoting restful sleep. Then we have rosemary, a powerful aromatic herb that not only adds flavor to your dishes, but is also known to enhance memory and concentration. Its strong, pine-like scent is invigorating and stimulating. Next up is jasmine. This plant's sweet, intoxicating fragrance aids in sleep and is often used in perfumes. It's like having a natural sleep aid right in your backyard. Eucalyptus, with its distinctive minty aroma, is known for its decongestant properties. A whiff of this can help clear your nasal passages. Lastly, we have peppermint. Its fresh, sharp scent can boost your energy levels and uplift your mood. Remember, the best part about creating your own aromatherapy garden is that you can customize it to your liking, choosing the plants that provide the scents you love the most. So, are you ready to start your aromatherapy garden journey? Imagine the joy of stepping into your own backyard, breathing in the natural, soothing scents of lavender, rosemary, and jasmine. This is more than just a hobby. It's a journey towards relaxation, towards creating a sanctuary of tranquility right at your home. So why wait? Start planning your aromatherapy garden today. Before you go, remember to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening insights. Enjoy your gardening journey.